So, und auf das Team von der Uni Chiluna-Gora folgt gleich ein nächstes Team von der Universität. Und zwar heißt das Team Green Wings. Ich bin gespannt, was für eine Lösung sie bereithalten.
Hello, everyone. Okay, so we are Green Wings. We are from Zielona Góra University. We are here to present a project that connects environmental science, engineering, and real-time data monitoring. So our project is called, like on the screen, Air Pollution Monitoring System using UAVs. Together with my team, we are involved in development this kind of drone that could be equipped with air quality sensor. This is this green thing. Can you switch the slide? Thank you. So air pollution is one of the most serious environmental problems that we face today. It harms our health, accelerates climate changes, and damages ecosystem on a global scale. Traditional monitoring systems rely on fixed stations. They are accurate, but limited to only one location and couldn't respond to sudden pollution spikes. Studies show that pollution levels can vary very dramatically, even across a few meters or different building heights. That makes stationary monitoring incomplete. Next. Okay. That's where UAVs, they are called unmanned aerial vehicles, come in. They are just flying platforms that carry sensors, cameras, and microelectronics into places that could not be inserted. They are just inaccessible for other technologies or devices. This is an Arduino board equipped with a particle matter sensor that allows us to measure its concentration in the real time at different altitudes. Okay.
So I will start talking about advantages of use UAV in air monitoring, mobility and access to hard-to-reach places, fast and flexible real-time data collection, lower cost compared to traditional methods, high spatial resolution and 3D mapping capabilities, safety in hazardous conditions. And the next one, please. Our project is the laser cut from aircraft plywood, enhancing drone construction. The electronics are integrated. We are 3D printing propellers and other components. So, the next person.
UAV monitoring system structure. Drone platform multi-rotor drones are stable and precise, while fixed-wing drones cover large areas. Sensor site measure PM, PM1, PM2.5, PM10, and gases, and VOC, and meteorological data.
Stację pomiarową do badania i analizy stężeń szkodliwych substancji. Stację pomiarową z komina. W tym przypadku badanie nie wykazało spalania śmieci czy innego z komina. W tym przypadku
Communication, Wi-Fi, LTE, LoRa or radio depending on mission range. GPS module, RTK or PPK system ensure centimeter level accuracy. Data software, real-time analysis, 2D, 3D mapping, GS integration, L-based foresking, and source detection. Example of technical solution. DR100 airborne sense Astro Plus.
Air monitoring mission workflow. Flight path planning based on terrain, weather and predicted pollution zones. Sensor calibration ensures measurement accuracy. Data collection at multiple altitudes and location, for example near factories or roads. Live data transmission and analysis, processed in the cloud using AI. Mapping and source identification, generates 3D maps and detects emission sources. UAV use cases. Industry, monitor emissions from chimneys or detect leaks quickly. Urban areas, map smog, find local hotspots and measure pollution at a building height. Emergency response, safe, quick development after fires or chemical splits. Scientific research, study vertical pollution profiles, validate models, test new sensors.
Now let's go to the advantages and limitations of UAV systems. I think that we've heard enough about advantages, so let's just jump straight into the limitations, such as short flight time, 20 to 30 minutes, weather sensitivity, legal flight restrictions, lack of continuous monitoring. You might be wondering what are future directions of the UAV systems. And for sure, we could say developing to advanced sensors, which are smaller, more accurate, and less sensitive to weather, which is a con, what I have said earlier. AI integrations for automatic analysis, forecasting, and mission optimization. Drone fleets, coordinating drones for large-scale monitoring. And cross-platform collaborations, which is, in other words, cooperation between drones, satellites, ground stations, for a full air quality picture. And we got to the end of the presentation, and just in very short, UAVs offer fast, flexible, and detailed air quality monitoring with advanced sensors and real-time analysis. They support smarter pollution control and are becoming essential tools in modern environmental strategies. And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation and the precise timing. And the same question, the hardware you have, is it made in the duration of the competition or before? And if you have played with it during the competition, what have you done with it that is novel, unique, that is interesting?
Okay, so we've done this by 3D printing, and we took Arduino board that it is equipped with particular mother sensor. And what is the question? Could you repeat?
Did you create this prior to the official beginning of the competition through a student club, or is it made for this competition, during this competition?
We've been doing this for a student, for science club, that's right. We've done this not specially for this competition, because we are trying to develop such a things on our own for science club.
I have a question regarding the sensor systems. You said Arduino, and do you then locally store the data, or do you like to transmit it wirelessly to a base station to have a live monitoring? What is the approach then when you have it in operation?
We are using SD card for this.
An SD card, so you store it locally and later on you read it out.
Yes, for now we are using SD cards. In the future we hope and plan to implement GSM, like 4G or 5G or LTE, to transmit it in real time, and probably in the future analyze this data via some kind of AI software maybe.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, thank you for your presentation. To whom you want to offer this? Who is your customer? Who is the sector you're working with, and how you want to earn your money?
The exact sector could not be named especially because we are at the moment of this project that we are looking for what can we do with this and how could we improve this. But I think that actually everyone could feel the difference if we, let's say, take drones like this for 50 in one kind of area, and they will be flying autonomously, then there is a possibility that we could detect where pollution is getting into our air.
Okay, then one additional question to that. How will this affect the decarbonization of the industry? So how is it related to?
We think that identifying the sources of pollution that are coming to our air should be pointed and named and do something with those emitters, I would say. So if we've got like people who burn trash and we could identify them and localize where they're coming from. So, and yeah, we can map this using GPS systems.
Okay, thank you again for the presentation, and we will move forward next team.
Thank you.
Yeah.